Hello everyone, today I will show you how to black out or white out an image in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor, select file option and select here. Open your computer or at place and so I have already opened this file and now I'll black out this image. Now select this protect option, this menu bar, and this is mark for reduction option. Click on the down arrow and select the text and image option and select OK. Now drag your mouse cursor, select your image area. This is. Now press right button and select apply option. This permanently apply this reduction and cannot be undone. Say this. Say OK. And see this image now hide. Also I'll white out this image and this is white out option. Click here and drag your mouse cursor, now select and select OK. You see this. This image now hide and this space remain below. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.